C. Guess what? This video is extra special because we're celebrating Mother's Day. Moms, you are the sunshine in our lives. Thank you for your love, care, and endless support. You make everything brighter. Happy Mother's Day! Now, let's move on to the exciting part of our video. Announcing the winners of our card making contest. We received a bunch of incredible entries and it was tough for us to pick a few. We will be featuring here the most amazing entries we saw in our contest. Drum roll please! For the third place, a fantastically artistic card. It's Asher M. Lim. Congratulations! You win a prize of 100 pesos. Moving on to second place with a truly creative design. We have Lorraine Faye Toyongan. Amazing work! You win a prize of 200 pesos. Congratulations! And finally, for the grand prize of 300 pesos and for the title of CTV Kids Mother's Day Card Making Champion, it's Olivia Isabel Chua. Congratulations! Your card is absolutely incredible! And a big round of applause for our amazing winners and participants. We love seeing your creativity and love shine through in your cards. Once again, thank you so much for joining in our Mother's Day card making contest. And happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Don't forget to subscribe in the CTV Kids YouTube channel for more fun and engaging learning adventures. See you in our next video, CTV Kids.